Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's 529 college saving plan. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time. Let's just jump straight into it and let me show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform, or you can log into your account on the Twoguysfinance mobile app. Now once you log into your account, you just want to select the 529 college savings plan account that you want to manage, and you can review your account balance and investment options there. You could also use the Twoguysfinance 529 college saving plan tools to help manage your investments. You could also review and update your account information as needed, and you can use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform or the mobile app to track your account progress. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can just contact Twoguysfinance's customer service, and they're going to help you to sort through those. But don't forget to review and update your account settings regularly. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's 529 college saving plan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.